Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add text in DaVinci Resolve. Firstly, in DaVinci Resolve, text tools are accessible in multiple pages, but most commonly in the cut and edit pages. Look for the titles menu at the top left for the interface, then click Effect at the top left, then select Titles from the toolbox sidebar. DaVinci Resolve offers dozens of text templates that can be previewed directly. Mouse over any title template from the left to right to see a preview of the animation in the viewer window. Drag your selected title template onto the timeline. You can place it on top of a clip to overlay the text or under a layer or between clips. By default, the title lasts for 5 seconds, but you can easily change this. Move your cursor to either edge of the text clip on the timeline and drag it inwards or outwards to shorten or extend the duration. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.